Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how to get the URL in Python when it has a path in it. This is my Salesforce URL where I have my URL until here, and after that I have some path slash services slash soap slash c, like that. I have some path. If your requirement is to just get the URL without the path, then we can make use of a regular expression. So at line number 1 I am importing regular expression library. Next, this is my URL this is the variable where I am storing the URL with the path. Next, I am declaring another variable called strURL where I am using find all method, and I'm using my regular expression here. Here I wanted https colon double slash, after that all the string until slash. So I will get this information, yeah, before this slash. So let's run this. So I'm able to get infallibletechie.my.salesforce.com URL without path. So using regular expression we should be able to extract the data from the string. So in order to get just the URL without path, I used a regular expression to get it. Please check the video description. In the video description I have shared my blog post. From the blog post you should be able to get the sample code which we referenced in this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.